This is step two. So in HTML project. So basically, I went for HTML plainly, and yeah, I want to go for a test run and see how it actually works in real life. So let's go.
I said I wanted to um, create my portfolio website, and I thought of using Next.js and thought of using Astra and all the other frameworks that are there. But then I also wanted my application to be lightweight and fast. So it got me thinking, how do I handle routing, navigation, and all these things and ensure that it makes sense? So I um, decided to build my own pattern. Took me almost the entire day, but with by the end of today, I have achieved something. Right. So core layout, the core layout is quite simple. The core layout is quite simple. I don't have a lot set up. Um, I just have my stuff set up like every other normal HTML project that you use with JavaScript and everything. And then I'm using Bond for my bundler. And here is where it gets fun. So inside this little application here, I decided to handle my routing. And inside this, I had different instances that will handle how I manage routing and I manage navigations applications. So yeah, just a live demo. So if I run dev, it gets my server started on port 4080, and it also exposes it for people on your same network to be able to use it. So I have some core things set up already. So first of all, you can have the layouts, you have the about, you can go to the about, you can go to the settings, yeah, and you have these things. So core structure inside your pages, you basically have a default index.html which serves as your output, your not found which serves as a 404 page. For example, let's say that you have something like slash fufu here. It basically just tells you that there is no page here, which is this 404 page that is here. Then you have your layout page, which you can actually put in your layout. Then it's you can put your content inside this particular layout that exports this main, right? So inside there we have like a couple of other things. So folder based, say in the sense that you can actually go to slash credit and you see that you're in your credits page as we have here. Every route must be exported by index.html, else it is not a route. Then inside the about us, you see we have an index.html and we have a player.html. So let's now see that we go to the about page. So if you go to this about page, if you now try to go to slash, inside this we have player. There's basically no page. But if you attempt to go to slash about slash player, it basically tells you that you're in the player page as we have here, right? So this is just done using the normal HTML routing, handling all these routes. And also we have the settings.html. So whenever I declare just a route like settings.html, you would basically just get the page there ASAP like this now. Right now, you have your settings page as it is ASAP, right? So yeah, that's basically how this entire thing works.
So I'm glad I've gotten all these things settled. to this extent, and I'd like to see where this thing leads me, where he builds it. Has opened my eyes a whole lot. So next step might be posting it and seeing how it actually like works. So yeah, let's get to it.